Hey there traders, hope you guys are doing well. In this video guys, in this quick video, I just want to take you over a live trade that I took on Monday on the NASDAQ on the 5-minute time frame. Just want to walk you through the exact process and the actual trade management in the actual trade. So it's going to be very educational to you, and I'm going to be showing you how I use that lot by risk EA that I posted about 4 or 5 videos back. I'm just going to show you how I minimize my risk and actually maximize the potential for profits. So I just want to walk you through the trade, show you how I scaled out of it and exactly what I did during the trade. But before we get into the video guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button. Please also like the video if you find value in the video. And also guys, I've been getting a lot of requests for why my course was taken down. And I've been getting a lot of emails and requests in the comments and stuff, traders who are actually looking for mentorship and asking me to provide a course or mentorship to them. So I'm busy working on that at the moment, and that should be ready within the next month. So if you are interested, coming up in the next few videos, there will be a link in the description box down below my videos to the actual mentorship, which will basically summarize my exact trading process from start to finish each week. The strategy, the risk management, the mindset, the psychology, all the tips and tricks, exactly how I think before and during a trade. You know, the complete guide, all summarized, because a lot of my YouTube content is very scattered all over the place. So I'm going to include stuff that's not on my YouTube channel. Some of it will be on the YouTube channel, but it's going to be in a format that's very structured and much easier to understand. And it's going to be like a short to medium course, so it's not going to be too long. So it should only take you a week to get through, and then you can start trading live exactly the way that I trade, and then start your journey as a trader, but have a good solid foundation into how to actually trade the financial markets. So if you are interested in the next coming videos and the next few videos, I will be dropping a link in the description box to that actual course, to that actual mentorship. So let's get into the video guys. I'm going to show you exactly how this trade went down. Catch you inside. Okay guys, so you can see here I'm setting my entry level with the yellow line using the lot by risk calculator in the bottom right. I'll be risking 1.5% of my account. As you can see, I've got it set there at 1.5%. So now I'm setting my stop loss level, and I'll be setting my take profit level. You see with the green line, I'll be setting it at this level of support where I've marked it out in blue. So now I'll be clicking on send order to actually set the order. You'll see I've sent the order. Almost immediately I get triggered into the trade because price was already there at the level where I wanted to enter. So you can see now at the top, if I lose this trade, I'll be losing $1,800, but if it hits my take profit, I'll be making $5,980, so basically $6,000. I've got about a 43 pip stop, so I'm just going to speed the trade up here. This is about 10x on the actual speed. Now you can see I'm aiming for that level of support. You can see this trade basically melted. It almost immediately went into profit and just started melting. These are all 5-minute candles. So I'm looking for a 3-to-1 risk to reward over here. That was an absolutely gorgeous trade. It's based on the same entries and divergence and everything that I've been showing you guys in my last few videos, but there's also a few things that I look for which will be in the actual mentorship itself, which you guys will have access to in the next few weeks to a month. Now you can see here what I'm doing is I'm looking at scaling out 80% of the trade. So I'm going to take off 80% of the trade at the blue line, which is the level which I'm wanting to get out. So I'm going to take off 1.1 lots, and I'm going to leave 0.22 lots on the table to potentially give me more profit. So it's very important to pay yourself when you've gone into a nice winning trade. You know, if you've gone more than say 30 to 50 pips in a trade, always make sure to at least pay yourself. You can actually see here I'm up 130 pips. I've taken away my take profits level, but as soon as price touches that blue line, I'm going to be scaling out 80% of the trade. So I've changed it now. I'm going to be scaling out 1.05 lots, which is roughly about 80% of the trade. So I've just sped up. You can see price actually bounced just before the level that I wanted to take profit at. But it will reach there. Let's just let it play out. You can see I should have actually taken it there. I was stupid. So sometimes set your take profits a little bit higher than where you expect the price to actually go to. Okay, so you can see now if you look on the order ticket, I'm closing 1.05. Now if you see at the bottom, I've got 0.27 running left on the trade. So my stop's already at break even. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to move my take profit now down to this bottom level over here. So I'm looking at the 0.27. I'm looking at leaving that to run onto this level. Sorry, I was just struggling to get hold of the take profit to move down there. So you can see I've left it there now. Currently I'm up $1,100. And if it reaches down there, I think I would make $1,600. But the point is I've already paid myself. Always make sure to pay yourself, otherwise you're wasting your time. Don't look for too much in the markets all the time. Don't look for these crazy long moves because the market fluctuates so much. That's why you've got to have roughly you've got to have targets. You know, you can't look for big moves. So you can see over here I've left the bit to run. Now, if it hits my take profit, that's all good. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter because I've already paid myself. So my stop's already at break even. I think I was already asleep at this point because my stop's already at break even. You can see I got knocked out of the trade. And I only made like $80 with that little bit remaining there. But that's fine because I've already paid myself with that 80%. So I already made $4,600. So, you know, it was a good payday for me. This was on Monday, $4,600. A lot of people take a whole month or two to actually, or a month and a half to make that sort of money. So that's all in one trade. Literally took like 10, 15, it literally took like 45 minutes or so to actually make that money. So simple trade setup. Very beautiful trade. So if you guys are interested, I will be putting the link to the mentorship in the description. In the next, say, 3 weeks to a month, I'm busy working very hard on the actual mentorship and giving you guys a full, giving you guys tremendous value. It's going to be really affordable, but it's going to give you tremendous value. And you want to be learning from a person who's actually putting their money, you know, where their mouth is and actually leading by example. A lot of these YouTube guys who are selling courses and mentorships don't even show you live trades and are not actually making any money out of the markets. So I'm just, yeah guys, that's it. If you guys are interested, it'll be down below, but I'll catch you guys anyway. I still will be posting valuable content and stuff on YouTube, but I want to bring exactly what I know and all my specialities and all my knowledge to people, to selected people, you know, to whoever's willing to sign up for it. I don't want to showcase everything I know to the public completely because you must remember market makers are watching everything that's for free on YouTube, and market makers are aware of what retail traders are doing. So I don't want to show everything for free on YouTube. It's going to be available at a price to people who are interested. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good week. Cheers.